Welcome, ladies and gents, to this week's Send It Saturday. You know who it is, Mazalimi, back at you with the ACL 2 IronMAN. And I do have approximately 5 to 6 weeks left until August 21st. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I do believe that we might potentially be doing a UK-based triathlon half Ironman instead, and that is probably due to Poland is quite far away. You know, T-Bag's not really gonna go to it anymore because of his injury, and you know, it's just the price of getting the bike over there, the flights, and then also don't forget Poland is still on the amber list, and obviously due to the pandemic, we don't really know what the situation is going to be in the next coming weeks. So unfortunately, you'll have to quarantine for 14 days afterwards, which, you know, we're always moving around. So yeah, we don't think we can really do that one. So yeah, potentially looking at a few UK-based half Ironmen. Yeah, we're going to send it today. I'm joined with our kid Hal. Our kid Hal, say hello.
Alright, our kid.
You excited for today's cycle?
Yeah, it should be a good one. It should be decent.
Yeah. When was the last time you cycled?
Last time was with you.
Last time with me, okay.
Yeah.
Today it's a longer one, longer cycle. We're gonna go to Hathersage, you know, Sheffield to Hathersage, you know, via Lady Bower and then also Bamford. So we're gonna go up these steep hills as well. We'll tackle them out and see how he gets on. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next. I'm gonna strap my GoPro to the front of the bike. Temperature outside is, I believe, about 18 degrees, 19 degrees. So it's quite mild. It was raining earlier, so I'm not sure you can see that. Hal has got some snacks over here to prevent any boncation. To prevent you bonking, you got to get nutrition on board. So me and Hal are just gonna have a nice little munch beforehand, and then from there we're just gonna crack on.
Yeah, sounds good.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. So this is the bike of all bikes nowadays. I'm also representing the Boardman. What do you think?
I like it. Let's have a feel of the weight. A good weight. A good weight. Looks good.
We are the Boardman crew. We don't get bored. We only do the boarding. Let's get it. Hal, let's get it.
Let's get it, boy.
My watch, it says we've already done 1,213 feet elevation. Let's compare that when we get to the top. My quad's already dying, but there is still life in these legs. This hill is nothing. It's only a hill. We got mountains to climb. This is just like a little bump in the road.